So in order to try this out, what we need to do is grab this, well, only this, what we need. Actually, let's just grab this too. We don't need this anymore. We already know back here. Okay, and this is my depth fade. And you see here that I have my tiling here. So I can use the same. I can use a lerp and I can plug in my alpha. But this time, what I'm gonna do is to lerp between different coordinates. The one that is close is going to be A. I'm going to put this one here, okay? And by holding Control, I'm going to drag like this, and I'm going to here. So A will be my close tiling. So I will call this close tiling. And then for V is going to be my far tiling. So I'm going to duplicate this one and put it here. Okay. And actually, what I need to do is create another set. Okay. Because if I do this, it won't work. Because of the way it works, we're changing the tiling based on the camera depth, and it works very well. So let me show you what I mean. If I just go here to my landscape, that I have my close tiling, and here I have my far tiling. Okay, like just like that. Change those based on the distance, and my far tiling 1, far tiling 0.1 here, and the close tilings like 5, 1. And you see that both of them are basically doing the same. They are not really changing anything. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is to basically duplicate these textures and have another one. I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to work on this one first, okay? So first is and L2, and this is gonna be my test. So what I'm gonna do is to lerp these two textures actually. So if I check this texture, first this one will my close tiling. I will like that, okay? But this one will my far tiling. I will just okay. So now that I have my far tiling here, I don't need the lerp anymore. And what I can do is to actually okay, and then I will let's duplicate all of those and put it, or we can Control W, something like that, and we can put the far tiling here, and we can do the same here, W, and put the far tiling here, like that. And now that we have this, what we need is to a lerp. Let's put the lerp, and the lerp be my close tiling, and I'm going to comment this here to close texture, my far texture. Okay, and now that I have this, I can go B, and here in my camera fade, I can just drag this, my alpha, and I can do the same here, and I can plug this in. I can do the same here, drag this too, and then I can just drag this one and it in my alpha. So just like that, we already have the alpha for this that is used our camera distance, and this one is used a different value, but in our material. So what we will go here and let's exchange this. Okay, and here in the normal map, we will need to do something extra. So here, what we need to do is to do a RGB split component mask. So there are several ways to do. You can either use a component mask, and here, the red one, go here to ambient occlusion, and you can put Control W, then you can put the green one here, and this will go to the roughness, and then you can Control W, and here you can put blue one. So like that, you can split all of those into different channels. If I click on this one will have my height. I check this one we have my roughness, and if I check this one, I have my AO. Okay, so on and okay, so now that we have this, what we need to do, try it out. Go back. Okay. And here, in order to try it out, I will fill this. Right click and fill the layer 2 for all my landscape. And what this will do is to put my landscape entirely using the layer 2 mask. So here I can check the close tiling. I can put 0.5, 0.1, 0.01. I can see that the lower the value, the bigger it is. So I will 0.1. Also, okay. And then from distance, we can put something like 1, 5, sorry, 0.01. You can see that from distance, this one looks much bigger. I can put 5 or 0.5. And as you can see from distance, you can see the texture actually very big. And as I get closer, I get the close tiling like this. And this one a little for me, so I will just apply this like 0.0. Play with the values like that. And here, when you are in this part, then tiling all, and from distance, use values. Okay. So now that we have this, I'm going to do the same for the rest of them.